Hi there, I'm Rachel Badgett with Urban Properties. I'm an Edmonds listing specialist and also managing broker and owner of Urban Properties. Welcome to my Soundview listing in Edmonds at 6308 147th Street Southwest. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous home with some updates. As you can see behind me, there's a leaded glass made by a Washington artist in this beautiful split level home. And we have cherry cabinets, we have granite, travertine, all kinds of beautiful finishes, Brazilian hardwoods. So let me show you around. This is the living, dining, kitchen combined area. Just amazing, amazing windows. Gas fireplace. Swinging around to that beautiful kitchen I had mentioned. Sunroom. French doors, and more in the living room. Down the hall. Here's a den. Notice all the trim. This home has been professionally cleaned. Carpets as well. This is the master suite. It has an exit out here to this wraparound deck with a beautiful pool below. You have views of the sound off the deck. This is the master bath with heated floors, marble counters, and a beautifully tiled shower. And as you can see, this home has some nice skylights. So that's just a sample for you. You have to come see the rest. It's over 2,800 square feet, 0.22 acres in Edmonds. And give me a call if you'd like to see this home. My cell is 425-772-7539. Have a great day.